Hello all, we are here for one more lesson of this AutoCAD 2016 training course. And the topic for today will be how to edit the table. I will insert a new table similar to what we've seen in our previous lesson. So just make the insertion here, clicking outside to leave. And with the table inside the drawing file, we can edit some of the features of the table. So, for example, clicking in one of the cells, and then I can, in the ribbon, when I open these options, these settings, I can call the edit borders. Let's put this aside, and I can control the line weight of the boundaries of the cell, the line type, the color. I will activate the color with a double line or not, the spacing, for example, putting this, okay, and that's it. I can do the same, for example, for the background. So I can put this, for example, green. I can put this setting here. I can control for example, the formatting in one column. For example, making this kind of feature for one at a time, or control the alignment like this, top left. So, for example, top left, okay, and then what I write now will be aligned to the left. I can control this for the complete table if I click in this corner, or I can control this for one line doing this, okay? I can control the table in many options. I can, for example, join two cells. For example, having this, I can do merge cells, okay, for example. I can control the distance and, for example, this one, I can put this aside. Did not work. Let's try again. Okay, something like this. Or even if I do this in one line, for example, doing this. So I can have a great control over things that happen in my table. So this is the possibilities to add, to edit the table. I have a couple of other things when I have my options on. I can, for example, I can change the styles for my cells, because I have also this kind of option here where I have different settings for each type of cell, so title, header, or the normal data. Okay, I can create a new style with a couple of configurations, but I think this is more or less basic, because we can do the same when we insert text inside this cell. We can use the text styles from the AutoCAD, which I think it's more flexible and more powerful. I can add or at least make a setting to define the data format in one cell like this. It's similar to what we do in Excel, or inserting a block, or even do what we've done in one of the previous lessons, inserting a field, and this will be related to some kind of data. So we have a lot of possibilities in here. This is a sample of what we can do with these tables inside AutoCAD.